This is a very old Carrier central air conditioner located at a car dealership. I believe it is from about 1968, maybe a little older, maybe a little newer. It is I believe the model is called Carrier Compact. I do not know for sure, but I believe it's called Carrier Compact. And it is also known as the Carrier Spam Can. It is priced like right below the round one. And I believe it is a straight cool unit. Don't know for sure. Don't know if they made a heat pump version of this. And this, some of you may actually remember this unit from a previous video from the Classified Info channel. I made a video of it running without asking permission. I just kind of came here looking at cars with my friend about 2-3 years ago, filmed it, no one stopped me, put it on YouTube, and then I accidentally deleted the Classified Info channel and lost the video, and it was lost, and I came back here in 2011, asked permission to film it, was told no by like a general manager or something, and I thought that was that. Well, today my mom's van is getting inspected at a dealer up the street, and I'm just wandering around looking at car lots. I happened to run into the owner of this particular dealership, and he said I could film it. So, here you go. Here's the unit. Carrier Spam Can, still running great. It's a little beat up, but it's very quiet. It's running good. A bunch of other cool units here. We got a Trane, I believe that's a commercial 3-phase XP series. A couple of York commercial units. Another Trane XP series. We got 3 York commercial units, 2 Trane XP series, and this cool little Carrier Spam Can. And you can see all the guts there. Very cool. But yeah, this ancient little thing is actually quieter than all these brand new units. This dealer underwent a major renovation not too long ago, and now it has all new air conditioners except for this one. And I'm pretty sure this place has gas heat. It's got a filter dryer, liquid line filter dryer right there. And this is a 2-stage unit. So it has this is a Trane. Those 2 are Yorks. This big one's a Trane, probably an Odyssey. And that is a straight cool unit? Yeah, that's a straight cool unit. Don't feel like going all the way. What the hell? Yeah, that's a Trane Odyssey. You can see the Trane logo right there. Trane Odyssey. One of the best, if not the best, commercial unit ever made, in my opinion. That one's got a squall compressor. York. These 2 commercial units are York. See if I can get a data sheet off this one. Oh, perfect. Take a picture of the data sheet with the SLR. So yeah, there's absolutely nothing better than getting permission from the owner of the property or even the leaseholder of the property to film an air conditioner. It just barely compressible. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are all straight cool. That's a big, big bug. So this building might have oil. I don't know. It might be gas, might be oil. And that has a scroll compressor. That's got a scroll compressor, and this appears to have a scroll compressor, strangely enough. Alliance scroll. It says Alliance compressors on there. But yeah, this is the only carrier spam can I've seen in person. And I was inside the showroom. I don't know what part of the building this particular unit cools, but it's definitely working. And this, I believe, has a 6-bladed fan. I just took a picture of it yesterday on Sunday when I was out here wandering around the car lots looking at cars. And I took some still photos of it, so I'll have to take a look at that. But yeah, one more sweeping shot, and then we will wrap it up. Six air conditioners, carrier spam can, Trane XB series, Trane Odyssey, 2 York commercial units, and another Trane XB series. And of course we installed the damn thing with the data sheet facing over here. Alright. Oh, it's an XB13 410A. Let's see. Oh, this is a 3-phase. A 2010 Trane XB 13 5-ton commercial 3-phase unit. So that's an XB 13. And we'll wrap this up momentarily. And this one is the same thing, except it is a 3 nominal ton, 36,000 BTU. But yeah, these are both commercial 3-phase units from 2010, XB 13. But this is definitely the star of the video right here. And I'm amazed this battery is holding out. It's almost dead. And I have 2 fully charged batteries in my camera case, so not to worry. And I still have a Chevrolet Suburban to photograph later today. A really nice Chevrolet Suburban with a 454 big block in it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.